Hello traders, this is Mike from Bearable Traders, and I want to discuss how the trading psychology concept of confidence can help you increase your profits. At the end of this video, there will be a special discount code for a trial membership at Bearable Traders so you can check out our psychology content. As always, if you can click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the alert bell, it is always appreciated. Here's the books by Andrew and I regarding trading psychology. If you're interested, you can pick them up on Amazon. So confidence, it's defined as a feeling or belief that someone can rely on someone or something. It's firm trust. In trading, confidence is built by executing your trading plan well. So to increase profits, you need to increase your confidence in your trading plan. There's a couple ways that you can do this. These are not the end-all be-all. One is to ensure that you have a high win percentage, because that's going to increase your confidence in your strategy. Right? We recommend typically 65 to 70% because this means that you're winning more times than you are losing, so you can wash away some of that self-doubt. If you have a winning percentage under 50%, it's difficult to be profitable, and it also is difficult to maintain the psychological aspect of trading that you need. The other way is to execute your trading plan according to how you developed it. And this can be done with winning trades. It can also be done with losing trades, and I'll show you that here in the next few slides. Winning trades, it's pretty obvious, right? That increases your win percentage. You're happy when you're making money. It's going there. But the other thing is losing trades. When you stop out according to your plan, it helps you build confidence in your risk management portion of your trading plan, as well as your ability not to blow up your account or create larger losses than you planned for. What you're going to find out is as your confidence increases, so does your ability to hold on longer to trades, as well as withstand losses or losing trades. They're inevitable in trading, but the more confidence you have in your trading strategy, the more you're going to be able to shrug off those trades that just don't work out because, heck, they just don't work out when you did nothing wrong. So let me show you a couple of examples. I want to start off with loss of confidence, right? This is a poor trade execution on my part on Airbnb. Got into the trade, it was good. The trade would have worked out according to my plan, but instead of partialing, I actually added into the trade to begin with. This threw off my risk management. I lost perspective of how many shares I had. I didn't know the amount of risk that I had going in. And if you know how I trade, I go in with my daily max loss on every trade because of the way that I manage my trades. So when I added to this position, I was definitely over what I was willing to lose that day. So it definitely threw me off. So I just ended up getting out. And it did kind of shake me for a few follow-on trades that day. The next thing is a little bit of marginal confidence here on NVDA. You can see it's a winning trade. It's actually one of the better trades that I've had profitability-wise because I got an initial pop right off the bat. And when I got that pop, I took the partial right away. Didn't realize at the time that I was already at my profit target, at which point I should have just completely exited the trade. As you can see, this trade continued to move on. And it's important, especially if you're a new trader right now, that you don't beat yourself up when you miss out on a larger move. Focus on what you did right. Focus on following your plan. Focus on the profits you made. The more you focus on the profits you made, the greater your confidence is going to be. The greater your confidence becomes, the more of an ability you have to hold on longer for trades that run on you. So it's kind of this spiral that just keeps going. If you notice, I took a couple more partials. I just really didn't have a plan after the stock had moved so quickly to my profit target, so I just got out. Definitely have to come up with some if that happens again. But here's some ones that had some really good confidence on me. BYND, this is exactly how I like to have a trade. 0.79R, you may be looking at like, oh, well, that isn't very big. And you're right, but my average losses are 0.2 to 0.25R. So I'm really getting a 1 to 3 when I get this win, when I get the trade that I want. Again, had the potential to make more off of it, but I was happy, executed my plan, built the confidence, didn't worry about, again, I focused on what I did, so I wasn't beating myself up. This next one was NVDA, actually today. This is a break-even trade that I call it. It pops up. I take a quick psychology partial, as I call it, just to make myself feel better. When I go in with a large risk, it came back to my break even, stopped out, which is perfectly fine because I want the trade. If you remember that first NVIDIA trade and BYND trade, I want it to run right away. Since this one pulled back, I'm just getting out at break even. It did continue to run. You notice the plus sign there because it's probably still running up on me already. So, but I'm perfectly happy with this. No issue with getting stopped out at break even. Now, remember how I said you can get stopped out as well and build your confidence. This trade right here is with NVDA. You'll notice I hit my average of a 0.20R loss with, according to my plan, I got in, didn't quite get to my first partial level, pulled back, engulfed that entry candle, so I exited the position. There was a potential to hit my profit target, but it was not within my plan, so I am absolutely perfectly happy with how I executed this trade. So again, I want to leave you with this. You increase your profits by building your confidence, and you increase your confidence by focusing on the things you did well instead of focusing on what you missed out or berating yourself or causing self-doubt. Focus on what you did right, reward yourself for that. As I mentioned, Site 40 is the special offer. This will give you access to our psychology team with a 40% off your first month of elite membership or an annual membership. We have our psychology team presents every Wednesday. Tonight will be Dr. Reed giving his presentation.